Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and I have got a recipe that you're really gonna like. You know, we're back to school, and all of us moms and dads are looking for some quick and easy recipes for the kids. And if you can put it all together in one dish, even all the better. In fact, yesterday I've got triplet 5-year-olds, and yesterday I made a baked bean and ground beef casserole that was just, man, that thing just went so fast you wouldn't believe it. But kind of a dump and stir, and this recipe is no different. Great thing about this recipe is all of our ingredients are pre-measured and we've got exactly what we need. So it's going to be put everything in a bowl, mix it together, put it in the casserole dish and into the oven. And it's really going to save you a lot of time, and it's going to help you out if your house is anything like mine, and it probably is. So I'm going to start with an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, some melted butter, and all the amounts are going to be right there on the website. So just take a look and you'll get those. Some sour cream, so you can tell that I've got some really good, rich flavors and ingredients going here. The kids are going to be licking their lips. Now to that, I'm going to add a package of ranch seasoning. Ranch seasoning really comes in handy. It's very good also if you're doing, crock pots are another way to save time. And I just did that too. I just did some baby back ribs in the crock pot a couple of days ago. I got the kids off to school, got the ribs in the crock pot, left, went and did what I had to do, came back, and the kids came in hungry from school, and man, there were those ribs. Crock pot saves the day. Casserole dishes really save the day. So anyhow, the ranch dressing is great if you're doing like crock pot roast or something like that. It works in all sorts of things. So that's my cream cheese and butter and sour cream and ranch dressing. So this is going to be a rich, creamy, hearty dish, okay? It's going to be one of those rib stickers. And your kids are going to be asking for seconds, maybe thirds. And if your house is like mine, mom, dad, you're standing over the stove or you're doing the dishes and you may not get to sit down and have a plate with the family. You might just be the chef dishwasher, and there will definitely be one corner left for you to have as you wash the dishes. Now to that, I'm going to add, and again, everything's prepackaged, and the ingredient amounts are going to be simple for you to do. So this cheese is 2 cups total, and I'm going to use 1 cup now inside the mixture, and we'll use the 2nd cup on top. Now I've cooked a few slices of bacon, and I've got them right here. If you could smell this kitchen, it smells so delectable. Nothing like the scent of bacon in the kitchen. Bacon, onions, Holy Trinity in the stovetop. There's a few things that are just really attention getters. My son walked in yesterday as I was making the ground beef and baked bean casserole, and he said, "Dad, what is that smell?" It was onions and bacon. So I'm going to use a portion of the bacon right now, and then I'll leave some left over to garnish the top of our casserole dish. And again, mix. This is all coming together real well. The key is the softened cream cheese. You can't use a hard cream cheese block of cream cheese. It's got to be room temperature soft so it'll mix together for you. Okay, now that all of that is together, I'm going to add some beautiful diced, chunky chicken. We'll mix that together. Got a really full and crowded bowl here. That's okay. We're going to make it work. That's looking great. So we're looking at cream cheese, butter, sour cream, shredded cheddar cheese, bacon, chicken. Oof, that's a hearty meal. Got everything all in one dish. All right, now, last but not least, this is going to be a great time saver for you also. Got a bag of shredded hash brown potatoes. I'm going to use them all. And just mix together with my spoon. Get it all married in this bowl. So why don't we take a quick break while I get these things together, and we'll come right back and put it in the casserole dish. Okay, everything is mixed together. So now I'm gonna put everything right into my sprayed casserole dish. We might need to bake 2 of these things. We already made a size change on the casserole dish. We went with a bigger one. Now we might just have to add a second one. This is a very, very hearty dish. And it is going to hit the spot. It's going to hit all the spots, every spot on the way down. It's going to hit. Mm-hmm.
It's going to be a good thick casserole.
It really is. This is going to be breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
My kind of thing.
Yeah. Anything that I can use leftovers tomorrow. If you got a family, cooking's no joke. Plus, man, I'll tell you what. I don't know about you. No, I do know about you. I do know because I am you. I'm getting creamed every time I go into the grocery store. And I'm in there. I got tripled 5-year-olds. So I'm in there, I don't know, 3 times a week, 4 times a week. It's $200 every time I go in there. You know, when you're buying fresh fruits and vegetables, you go through stuff quick and it needs to be replenished pretty quick. Got to try to save a little dough someplace. Got to try to maybe use some canned stuff, use some stuff out of the freezer section. That is all right. And this is all right. So this dish is going to be hearty. It's going to serve at least 2 meals. So I've saved some money in the process. And look, we got away with 1 casserole dish. I'm just going to make sure that the whole dish has got equal love of our recipe. I think it looks really, really good. We're going to pop it into the oven just like this. About 30 minutes, I think. Bake it through because it's really thick and hearty. Then we'll pull it out. We'll put our remaining bacon and a little more cheese on the top and garnish it with some green onions. So hang around for just a few more minutes. Casserole just looks and smells great. It's been in the oven for about 30 minutes. And I'm going to use the 2nd cup of cheese right on top. Remember, this was 2 cups. I used 1 cup inside the casserole, and the 2nd cup is going to be right on top. And we'll just throw it back into the oven for a few minutes just to get everything melted and finished up. This is going to be so hearty and delicious. In the second, we used about 2/3 of our bacon inside the recipe, and I'm going to use the last of it right on top. Just try to make sure that I've got a little bit everywhere. Looks great. So let's pop it back into the oven for a few minutes and we'll come back and we'll taste it. Golly. Does that smell good or what, Teresa? It looks so good. That is a hearty, delicious, I don't know. I said breakfast, lunch, or dinner earlier, and I really think it could be any of the above. Put pretty little green garnish on top. And there you have it. This is one of those time saver, space saver, you know, a little bit of frozen, a little bit of prepackaged. That's okay. We're all trying to put food on the table for our family, make things hearty and delicious for our kids, and this one fits the bill, and it won't break the bank. That is a beautiful chicken and potato casserole, hash brown casserole, and it took me about a half an hour to make it. It's going to be hearty and great. So make it at home. Let us know how you like it.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.